Guys, if you wonder how to right click in using only MacBook Trackpad, so in today's video I'm going to show you with our MacBook. So our MacBook current version is Sonama 14.4.1. So let's start. So basically first you need to go to your system setting, and at system setting you can scroll down to the bottom and you can find out for Trackpad. So basically this is the panel that you can customize all your trackpad setting. So basically if you want to have right click on your trackpad, you need to activate this secondary click in your MacBook. So basically for this secondary click, you can choose your option. So basically for me, I choose click with two fingers as this is more convenient for me. So after that you can choose the setting and it will save to your PC, and that's all. So if you like today's video, you can leave a like and comment in this video. Thanks.